Welcome, grade 10 students. This is Teacher Hazel, and I will be your math teacher for today. Are you ready for our lesson? At the end of this video, you will be able to describe about patterns. But before that, let us have some activity. The activity that we are going to deal with today is entitled, Do we have difference? For you to be able to come up with right answers, you must follow some math rules. Directions. Study the following set of numbers or objects. Answer its corresponding guide questions. Then write your answers on your lecture notebook. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? Number 1. Observe the letters on the right. How are the letters written? Do you have answers in mind? Write your answers on your notebook. Did you notice the letters after the other? Write your answers on your notebook. Question. What does this demonstrate? Do you have answers in mind? Write your answers on your notebook. Number 2. Observe the figures on the right. Does the figure connote movement? If yes, write it on your notebook. If no, write no on your notebook. Is it going to the left or to the right? If your answer is to the left, write to the left. If your answer is to the right, write to the right. What does the picture express? Do you have answers in mind? Write your answers on your notebook. Number 3. Observe the shapes on the right. What kind of polygons are they? What have you noticed about the colors of the polygon? Do you have answers in mind? Write your answers on your notebook. Question. What do the colors show in the picture? Do you have answers in mind? Write your answers on your notebook. Number 4. Observe the shapes on the right. Question: what kind of polygons are they? Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. How are the polygons drawn? Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. How about the colors of the polygon? What have you observed? Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. Question: what does the figure illustrate? Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. Number 5. Observe the numbers on the right. Question: what is the difference between the first and the second number? How about the second and the third? The third and fourth. Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. Question: what have you observed with the difference between any two consecutive numbers? Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. Question: are the difference the same? If yes, write yes on your notebook. If no, write no on your notebook. Question: can you guess the next number after the last? What will it be? Do you have answer in mind? Write your answer on your notebook. How was the activity? Did you get something from our activity? Do you have a word in mind that will describe our topic for today? Any guess? Our topic for today will be about patterns. What is a pattern? A pattern constitutes a set of numbers or objects in which all members are related with each other by a specific rule. Ibig sabihin, mako-consider lang natin ang isang set of numbers na may pattern if lahat ng miyembro ng objects or numbers na yon ay related sa isa't isa by a specific rule. Example, we have big A, small b, big C, small b, big E, small f. Observe that A, C, and E are in big letters, while B, D, and F are in small letters. Thus, the alphabet is arranged in big and small letters. Therefore, this indicates a pattern. Therefore, it is also a sequence. Next example, we have this set of whorls. Observe that this set of whorls follows a certain direction, in which it is to the left. Now, observe that if we add this amount of whorl, then this whorl becomes the second whorl. And if we add the same amount of whorl, then this becomes the third whorl, and so on. Thus, this indicates a pattern, therefore, it is also a sequence. Next example we have are the set of triangles. Observe that the triangles are arranged according to their outlines and shades. The first triangle we have has a bold outline and a lighter shade. The second triangle we have doesn't have a bold outline but has a lighter shade. The third triangle we have has a bold outline and a darker shade. The fourth triangle we have has a bold outline but doesn't have a shade. And the arrangement goes repeatedly. Therefore, this indicates a pattern and it is also a sequence. The next example we have are the set of polygons. The first polygon we have is an octagon, is a shaded octagon with a square inside. The next figure we have is a hexagon with a shaded triangle inside. Observe that figure 1 or the shaded octagon with square inside are in the first, third, and fifth terms of the set, while the hexagon with a shaded triangle inside are in the second and fourth terms of the set. This arrangement goes repeatedly. It follows a certain rule, so therefore, it indicates a pattern and it is also a sequence. The next example we have are the set of numbers. Observe that the numbers are arranged in increasing order. Observe also that if we add 2 to the first number, it becomes 3. If we add again 2 to the second number, this becomes 5. If we add again 2 to the third number, this becomes 7. And the cycle goes repeatedly. Therefore, this indicates a pattern and it is also a sequence. Do you have any questions? If you have questions, I would love to read your questions on the comment box below. Did you learn something? What have you learned? Write what you have learned on the comment box down below. To check if you have really learned something, let us have some activity. The activity is entitled, What's My Pattern? Okay. Before we start, let us have these math rules. Directions. State the pattern of the following set. Write your answers on your answer sheet. Okay, number 1. Given this face expression, what is the pattern? Write your answers on your answer sheet. You have 30 seconds to do number 1. Number 2. What is the pattern? Observe the arrows given. Write your answers on your answer sheet. Next, we have number 3. Observe the polygons on the left. What have you observed? Is there a pattern? What is the pattern? Write your answers on your answer sheet. Number 4. Observe the triangles given on the left. What have you observed? Is there a pattern? What is it? Write your answer on your answer sheet. Number 5. What is the pattern? Thank you for watching. See you on our next lesson. Bye!